lamp. What this is one of these little small kind of electric shock lamps, and believe it or not, this is battery powered. Actually, let's look over this. Variable frequency trapping, high voltage power grid, 200 milliamp battery. And this has one of those kind of ultraviolet lights on it. It's also a camping light, which actually is really important to me. Having this as a camping light also has a SOS on it, a little storage box, 360 degree mesh. You know what? Let's just open it up. I actually took it out of the box and looked over it here, but let me show you guys. I put it back in here for the purpose of this video. You can see what it looks like. It's just really a little small mosquito lamp. So it's got a actual kind of carabiner type hook for inside of a tent or something like that. There's the actual light down here on the bottom. And then inside of here, it looks like we get, so the little set of instructions right here basically go over how to clean it. You get this little cleaning brush. So I guess what happens is bugs get caught down in there and you just clean them off just like that. That is an electrical shock coil inside of here, and you can see right here it's actually got a little mosquito logo right there and a light right there. We won't be able to see it here in the daylight, but let me cut to some nighttime and then we'll see this thing at night, and then I'll go over it and we'll see if we can catch something at night. I'll let it run for a little while and see how it does. Actually, and to charge it, you're going to use the USB-C cable that they gave you right there, and it just charges right here. And does mine have a charge? Let's see. Like I said, it's a little dark, so I can't really tell. Hold down the button. Yeah, I can't really see in the... So once it gets night, we'll come back and we'll test this thing out and see if we can catch some mosquitoes. So let's do that now. Okay, here we are. It's the next day. It's the next morning, actually. And I let it run for about 5 hours before it went completely dead. So it seemed to run a long time. And the reason it went dead quicker, I don't know how well you can see in there, but let me show you some of the catches. So you have this little catch tray at the bottom, and here's everything that was caught. You can see a majority of it is basically these moths, but there are mosquitoes in here. That is a mosquito right there, and that's a mosquito right there. So this thing does catch mosquitoes. It seems to catch these moths more than anything, and that seems to be a bug right there. A lot of these get hit, and then they fall down inside of here. And then if you look inside of here, you can see how there's mosquitoes caught up in the actual like coils. There's some mosquitoes there, some moths there, mostly the little gnats. And if this thing works good enough to keep the gnats and moths from flying in your face, it's good enough for me. I'm okay with that. So just so you know, mosquitoes will come to light, but that's not their main attractant. So to call it a mosquito machine is a little bold claim, but you know what? If it's a bug killer, that was good enough for 90% of the people out there, because you know, this would all be flying around your tent and in your face and in your mouth while you're trying to sleep. So let's try to get some of these out of here using the little brush. You can see right there. Wow, that brush actually works pretty good. Everybody, I'm impressed with this little mosquito machine. I think, or let's say it's a bug killer. Yeah, look, it just like knocks those out. This thing works great. I don't know how well you can see right there, but yeah, there's some mosquitoes right there. I would say this is 90% moths and maybe 2% mosquitoes, and then other percentage is just random bugs. But there it is. Look at all of this right here. That's everything. Now, this is just one night, everybody. That's one night of this machine running and knocking out the little bugs there. And if it does that much, I think that's good enough for a lot of people that want to get one of these little bug killing machines, because this, like I said, this would be flying around your face and in your tent and all over you. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the J10 Mosquito / bug zapper. See you all in the next video.